Okay, so now that we've done the forward shell attack, I can then launch something like IP config. You can see I'm actually sitting on that machine. If you have the whoami tool installed, it will actually tell you what rights you actually have. I don't at this point. I could then again through this forward shell create and upload that whoami executable file and have that run on that target system. I'm going to show you now the actual alternative to this, which is a reverse shell. And the benefits of really using a reverse shell would be that you might have firewall rules that restrict you from actually connecting directly to that target machine. So it may be that you have to get that target web server to attach and connect to a listener set up in your local hacker machine. So we'll set netcat to L. We'll specify port 10123 as an example. This is running on my local hacker machine. So I'm now in listening mode. Let's unblock that. And now that I'm in listening mode, we'll now return to the server front end, the HTML front end, and we'll then inject a reverse shell attack. Alright, and the syntax for that, very much the same, except in this example, we're going to specify the hacker IP address. So that's 192.168.107. Right, so once I've now got that, you can then see if I go to the command prompt, once I've injected that, I then have the remote command prompt again, and if I use IP config, you'll see I have the IP address of the target system again. So that was a reverse shell. As a bonus section, you want to use something like cryptcat, because remember, if you're using something like cryptcat, your firewalls, IDSs, IPSs are not going to be picking up on the actual data traveling across that encrypted session. So that encrypted session in itself, of course, is not going to be viewed by any of those IDSs, firewalls, and so forth.